I was talking to somebody yesterday who was blaming her ex for everything. The reason why she's in a job she can't stand, the reason why she gained that weight, the reason why she can't sleep, the reason why this, that, the other thing. All of it's very true. But I said, what would happen if you could not blame your ex for it and you had to take complete and total responsibility for where you are right now? People don't like to hear that, but here's the thing. Yes, the betrayal happened, and yes, it shattered your heart, and yes, it created all the symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome, and it's keeping you scared and sick and stuck and all of that. And it's also the opportunity to take a look and say, I didn't like that job anyway. It's time to take care of my health. It's time for me to do what I can for better self-care and get my health back to the way I need it to be. When you start making decisions like that, you take your power back. You don't put it on them. You're giving them way too much power. When you take your power back, you can create whatever it is you want. Betrayal shatters all of it. The good news is you can recreate something so powerful, so you could create a version of you so healthy, so strong, so healed, so whole. But you can't do that if you're blaming the other person. So take that responsibility, take your power back, and create a 2.0 version of you that will blow your mind. That's what's waiting for you in stages 4 and 5, never in stage 3 out of the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. Here to help.